Welcome back to the channel, Non-Consensual Towing. I hope everybody's doing well. I called today to talk to Greg and Ruby. I couldn't get either one of them on the phone. And as soon as I get an update on their condition, I'll let the channel know. But I want to tell everybody thank you for all the thoughts and prayers for both of them. Greg did get out of the hospital. Ruby's been struggling with some issues, complications, but I think he's okay. I hope. But I'll find out. I got to find out. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and do the drawing. I'll go ahead and pull the names for the comment from the comment picker. Dave Chappelle Show, first winner. Number 2, Greg Allen Vanderveer. Number 3, David MC. Number 4, Brobo Journeyman. Number 4. Number 5 winner is going to be Kyle Patterson. Kyle Patterson. Anyway, if you won, if your name was pulled out of the comment picker, I need you to send me an email, towtruckerbiz@gmail.com, and please send some kind of a link or something from your YouTube screen name. Let me know who you are so I know that you won on the so I know who to send the money to. I can pay out Cash App. I can do Zelle, PayPal. There's a couple of ways I could send it, and I probably can work it out whatever way you need it done. But like I said, you're gonna win $100 if your name was pulled. But I want to thank God for keeping me safe and allowing me to do what I do. He keeps me safe every day. He keeps me strong. I also want to thank my boss. He allows me to have this channel, and I want to thank each and every viewer and subscriber I have on this channel. Without y'all, I wouldn't have this channel. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and get into some content. I'm not going to drag this on. Thanks for watching. Peace. Here we go. We're back on it, man. We got somebody with a big Tex trailer right here. He's parked at the front office, man. What's going on, man? You a tow company?
Yes, sir.
Any idea any idea whose it is?
Right now.
Okay. Hey, how you doing? The truck. Any idea whose it is?
No.
Because that trailer's gonna be hard to move. I mean, it's gonna take a heavy to pull that trailer. I mean, I hooked the truck. I got the truck.
So you don't think that you're gonna?
So I've got it hooked.
You're gonna try.
Yeah, I mean, it's already hooked. The truck's hooked.
We gotta take a picture and I can see the license plate.
Yeah, if we can figure out who it is, I mean, we'll make him pay it out. At least if he pays it out, he won't do it again.
Right.
But if I take the truck, he shows up, the trailer's still going to be there. That's gonna not help your problem because he's gonna have to. It'll leave the trailer there longer.
Right. So
But if
we can. Yeah. It's too heavy for this.
Well, you know what? We might can tow it, but like I said, if I take the truck first to come back for the trailer, it's going to leave the trailer sitting there still. And that's not going to solve the problem for you. I know what you want. You want it gone. You want it out of here.
Yeah.
I've got the truck hooked. Hey, we'll give it a minute to see what happens. He's going to wake up and come up here is what he's going to do. Especially with the truck hooked to the back, hooked to the front of it.
Yes, sir.
But I'll charge him $100 to release it, and he won't do it again. At least he'll know not to be here at 9 o'clock anyway, you know. That's how they learn, man. That's the only way they learn.
If he don't show up, I will take this truck, take his Z71. I will take it to the yard. There's no question about that. I'll unhook this this fifth wheel, and I'll take the truck over to the yard. It don't matter to me. Oh man. Listen, if you've been here at 9, man, it's cool. It's $100 drop. I'll write your receipt up, man. Hey, he's not mad. He just wants to talk. I'll write your receipt up. I'll write your receipt real quick.
You don't have to.
Well, I have to for me. I gotta write your. I gotta write one.
That's a nice truck, man. That's a nice truck you got. I like the setup, man. I know, man. I know what happened, man. He came in late, man. I know what happened, man. And he knows too. Hey, that's why I didn't try to unhook your rig, man, and tow it, because it's not going to serve a purpose to leave the trailer and leave you without a way.
You just doing your job, man. I ain't mad. I'm just tired of shit.
I know, man. What time did you come in last night, man?
6.
6? Wow, you ain't got 3 hours of sleep, man.
I tried to get out before it was open, but whatever.
I know, man. I know. Hey, there's your receipt right there, man. I kind of halfway figured that's what happened. That man came in at 6 o'clock in the morning from the road, and he probably knew he needed to pull off the road and not drive anymore. So that's what he did. It's 9 o'clock. He got 3.5 hours sleep. Now he's going to go get his car. He's got a spot he parks that rig at, and he was probably too tired to drive last night any further. Who knows? He might park on the south side somewhere, or Conyers. Ain't no telling where he parks that trailer at, that setup. But it is what it is, man. He wasn't even mad. He just overslept. His plan didn't work out because he overslept, and it does happen. But anyway, he was very calm, and he was so tired, man. He couldn't even he couldn't even get mad about it. Anyway, we're gonna roll. To the next. That worked out good for the property manager over here, because he was he had to have that truck moved. Put you on the channel if you want, man.
That's cool.
Yeah, what's your name?
Josh.
Josh, man. You with Hip Hill. Yeah, it's one of my subscribers, man. Josh. What's your name, buddy?
Brandon.
Brandon, man. We just pulled back in on another property right here. We got a car. We got a yank. We'll go ahead and turn around and get lined up on it. Got that one loaded up without any problems. This particular property here, a couple of years ago, I think they probably solved most of the crimes, but there was a bunch of break-ins. There was a bunch of home invasions going on for a period of time at this property, and it was giving the property manager giving her fits, man. She was trying to keep the property rented. Somebody kept doing home invasions and houses kept getting robbed. And she was having, man, she was going through it. But anyway, we're gonna sign this out and get out of here. But we we tow, we've been towing over here for, I don't know, I've been towing on this property for 10 years. Something like that. Anyway, stay tuned.